unicorn frappuccino and my unicorn poo slide. And look, here's tiny unicorn poo slide, medium unicorn poo slide, and gigantic unicorn poo slide. And that is Olivia. Okay. Let's watch our video. 1, 2, 3.